maybe a bit laggy. Okay, we can do it then. Oh. いや、今言おうと思った。なんで私まだいけそうな感じだったの？Well, I mean, what did you expect? Yeah, okay. I have to say, like, normally I really only play like RPG games. I don't play these kind of games. Is there any comparable game like this that I might have played before? I don't know, man. Next! I might have to change the game settings somehow to make it less laggy. I don't know what settings were best. Noob. Slime climb. Oh no, I've seen this is horrible. Oh no, you die so quickly here. I've seen like really a certain person dying so quickly here. これ絶対難しいやつでしょ？見た。すぐ死ぬでしょ？やばい。無理。これ無理。No! Wait, who am I? Oh! Oh! I was like, wait, why did I change my costume? Okay. I'm sleeping. I have to say again for everyone who just came. I've been awake for over 24 hours. I thought they were just gonna send me off to the next game right away, like to the next like round, not round, but like the other group, like you know. Oh my god. やばい。進んでると思ってなかったけど、なんか次のなんだろうグループにもうすぐに入ったと思ってた。Bird brain is big brain. Oh yeah, maybe the setting. Wow, whatever. You know how I will be better next time. I don't need sleep. Hurry up. I need to win. Guys, I was thinking of like next time I stream Fall Guys, I'll do an RTA until I get the chicken costume. How long does that take? 今度さ、チキンの一生もらうまで RTA やろうかなと思ったけど、どれくらいかかる？